Hello, my name is Malavika. And did you know that store-bought mango milkshakes have a lot of chemicals, saturated fat, and even cholesterol in them? And this can be very dangerous for you because it can lead to high risk of diabetes, heart attack, and even stroke. So that is why today we're going to make our own healthier version of mango milkshakes. So what you'll need is 600 grams of mango chunks, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 650 grams of vanilla yogurt. You can also use normal yogurt, and a glass of milk. So first we're going to add the chunks into the jar. Then we're going to add the condensed milk into it. And then we're going to add the yogurt into this. And then we're going to blend it. As you can see, after blending it, it's a little bit tightened. So to loosen a bit, so we're going to add a little bit of milk. After blending it, it has the right consistency and our mango milkshake is ready to be consumed. So let's pour it into a glass. And see how it tastes. It tastes really good. Hope you try this at home and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!